Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on YouTube app, we click on settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or you can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.